Good morning, students. I hope you are fit at your homes. Students, today date is 14th July 2020 and we are going to start our second topic, that is getting started with Google Drive. Means how we can start Google Drive and how we can store our files or folders in Google Drive. So students, let's start. Accessing Google Drive. How we can access Google Drive, how we can open Google Drive. So to use Google Drive, the user is required to have a Google account, and to access Google Drive, follow the given steps. So if you want to use Google Drive, so there is need to have a Google account. So if we have Google account, then there is need to open that Google account. So to access Google Drive, follow the given step. First step is visit www.google.com website and sign in with your Gmail account by giving the valid username and password, and your Gmail account window opens. So firstly we will open our Gmail account. So next step is now click on the Google App Launcher button located at the top right corner of the web page. A list of options appears. So when our Google account will open, so there is option Google Apps Launcher. You can see 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9 dots are there. That is called Google Apps Launcher. So we will open this option. We will click on this option. So when we will click on this option, multiple options will appear. So select the Google Drive icon from the list. The Google Drive window opens. Now from these types of options we will choose now Drive. This one, Google Drive icon. So when we will select this Drive icon, then our Google Drive window will open. So next step is how we can upload a file or folder. हम upload कैसे कर सकते हैं? Means how we can store our files or folders in our Google Drive. So to upload a file to your drive, choose the upload files option from the My Drive drop down list, and second way is directly click on the new button and select the file upload. As you can see from here, when Google Drive window will open, then there is option new. We can also choose this new option. Otherwise the second way is we can choose My Drive option, and after that we will click on this upload file. So an open dialog box appear. When we will click on this upload file, then one open dialog box will appear. Browse and select the file that you want to upload, and then click on the open button. After that we will select the file, and then we will click on this open button, and then a pop-up window appears. So then we will choose the file that we want to upload. So once completed, the uploaded file will appear in your Google Drive folder, and similarly you can upload a folder either by clicking on the upload folder option from the My Drive drop down list, or by selecting the folder upload option from the new button. So in the same way we can also upload folder in our Google Drive. So same steps we have to follow that we have followed to upload files. So same steps we have to follow if we want to upload folder. So after this we have how we can organize files and folders. How we can organize, कैसे organize कर सकते हैं. Organize means systematic way में हम कैसे अपना डाटा स्टोर कर सकते हैं. So after uploading files, you can organize them in the relevant folders, and Google Drive provides you with the facility to create as well as to upload folders. So Google Drive हमें facility provide करता है to create and to move. Means in any way we can organize files or folders in our Google Drive. So first step is how we can create a new folder inside a Google Drive, and with the help of Google Drive. So following steps are used to create a new folder. First one is click on the new button, and a list of options appears. Firstly we have to choose new button. This one is your new button, and after that select the new folder option, and after that we will select new folder option, this one option. So a small window appears specifying the name of the folder, and click on the create button. So when we will choose this new folder, then small window will appear by name new folder. So here we will give name of the folder, and after that we will click on this create button. Then our folder will get create. तो हमारा folder क्या है वो क्रिएट हो जाएगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज इनफ फॉर टुडे. टेक केयर. हैव अ नाइस डे.